YouTube, my name is Hassan Aziz and today we're grilling some T-bone steaks.
First off, meat. Try to find a good butcher. Pat your meat dry with a paper towel. Notice these steaks aren't too thick. We're going for a well done steak. And whenever choosing meat, I go for the most amount of marbling. We'll go with our simple seasoning, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Use your hands to rub down and make sure you season both sides. It's time to put these steaks on the grill. Make sure it's hot and you rub it with oil. Place it at a 45-degree angle and will cook for about 8 minutes in total, turning every 2 minutes. And remember to keep the lid closed. For our baste, we will take softened butter, pepper, garlic powder, and celery seeds, and mix them well. The steaks are reading well over 175 degrees. They're well done. Time to take them off and put them on the dollop of butter. And let's baste them from the top as well. And we'll have them rest for about 5 to 7 minutes. It's time to take them off the bone. Using a sharp knife, carve out the bone. Now that's a well done steak.
Alright guys, the steak's done, it's all rested, now it's time to eat. So what I'm going to do now is cut a quick small little bite, and who's going to give me a hand here is Iman. She's my daughter. Alrighty, so it's a small piece. Bismillah.
It tastes amazing.
Nice. What do you like about it?
I like how it's very soft and tender, and it tastes just on point.
Excellent. Yeah, I like the seasoning. It's nice and salty. Can't complain. But yeah, it is really good, guys. We're gonna dig in and take care of this. So our bones are here, our meat's here. Give it some time. We'll show you what the end product looks like. What do you think, Bubby?